All right now, hello Sunny one.
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready for the test today?
Yes, teacher, I'm ready.
Okay, so Sunny, just tell me, what day is it today? Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Monday.
Oh, today is Monday, right? Good job. And what's the weather like in Hanoi today, Sunny? Is this rainy or sunny or cloudy or windy today?
Sunny.
Oh, sunny. Okay, and is it hot or cold?
Hot.
Oh, it's so hot. Okay, and do you go to school today, Sunny?
No.
Yes, and how do you go to school? Do you go to school by bus, by car, by train, or by motorbike?
My bike.
By bike. Oh, really? Oh my God. Okay, now. All right, now. Look at this and tell me, who are they?
We are.
They are.
We are men.
They are men.
They are men.
Next one, what is that? It's a tools. Next one, who are they?
They are family.
Oh, they are people in a family, right? Next one, who is he?
He's a man.
He is a man. Next one, what is that?
Mouse.
It's a mouse. And the next one, who is she?
He,
She is a person, right? And the next one, what are they? They are.
They are.
They are feet.
They are free.
Next one, who is he?
He a boy.
He is a boy. Are you a boy, Sunny?
No.
No, so you are a?
Yeah.
You are a boy or girl?
A girl.
Okay, so you say I'm a girl, right? And the next one, who is she?
He a
She is a woman, right?
woman.
Okay, are you a woman too?
Yeah.
No, you are a girl. Next one, what is that?
He a bar.
Is a
He
next one. What are they?
they are.
They are
They are.
they are two teeth, right? They are teeth.
He.
Next one, who are they?
They are. They are.
Women.
We.
And the next one, who are they?
G.
They are children.
They are children.
Okay, and the next one, what are they? They are mice.
They are mice.
And the next one, who is she?
A girl.
Oh, she's a girl. Are you a girl, Sunny?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now you're going to talk about the preposition. Okay, now you choose the answer A, B, C, or D to answer the question. Where's A? Where's the ball?
The ball is next to the ball.
Okay, and the next one, where's the ball?
A.
A, no, B. Now you say the ball is?
The ball is behind the ball.
Okay, and the next one, where's the ball?
B.
B, no, A. Now you say the ball is?
The ball is in the box.
In the box. Good. And the next one, where's the ball?
A.
A. Now you say the ball is?
The ball is in the box.
Boxes. Okay. And the next one, where's the ball?
C.
C. Not C.
B. Không. Ai.
Now where's the ball? The ball is?
The ball is on the ball.
Okay, good. And the next one, where's the ball?
B.
B. Okay, now you say the ball is?
The ball is in front of the ball.
Okay, good. And the next one, where's the ball?
The ball is under the ball.
Oh, exactly. Very good, Sunny. And the next one, where's the dog?
The dog is A.
Hey, the dog is?
The dog is
Opposite
opposite the ball.
the
Ball.
the cat.
The car.
Next one, where's the plane?
The plane in
A, B, or C?
A.
Okay, now you say the plane is?
The plane
Is above the
the chair.
the tree.
The
Okay, now look at this one. Okay, look at this picture. And you can see so many things here. All right, now tell me, where's the cat?
The cat is
The cat
cat
is in front of the.
in front of the dog.
Okay, and where's the dog? The dog is
Dog is
between the.
between the
The what? The cat and
cat
and
and
the boy, right? Is that right?
yeah.
Okay, now look at this one. Okay, you can see two pictures and tell me what's the difference between the two pictures.
Picture one
In
in
the
cold and the picture two is sun.
Now in the picture one is cloudy and in the picture two is sunny, right?
Yeah.
And what else?
In the picture two, five feet.
In the picture one, there are five. There are five fish.
In the picture two, there are 4 fish.
Okay, very good job. And then we now talk about places in town. Okay, now look at this and tell me, what do you see here? I see a
zoo.
Okay, and what do you see in the zoo?
I see.
Do you see Teacher Anna in the zoo?
No.
What do you see here? What do you see in the zoo here? I see
monkey, elephant, tiger.
Okay, good. And the next one. Tell me, wait. Okay, now what is it? It's a It's a park, right?
It's a park.
Yeah, and what can you do in a park? Can you sleep in the park? What can you do in the park?
In park. In
I can
run.
I can run. I can.
I can.
Can you can you jump or can you play in the park? Yes.
Yeah.
And next one, what is it here, Sunny? It's a cinema.
Cinema.
And the next one, what is it? It's a it's a playground.
It's a playground.
Okay, good job. And one more here. And the next one, what is it? It's a
supermarket.
okay, supermarket. And what can you buy in a supermarket?
Supermarket is
I can buy. Can you buy apples in the supermarket? Can you buy apples or bananas in the supermarket?
Yeah.
Yes? All right, now. Good job. And now we're going to talk about jobs, okay? Look at this and tell me, what does he do?
He is a
he is a doctor.
Yeah, doctor.
And the next one, what does he do?
He a pilot.
Pilot, not pilot. Okay, and the next one. What does he do? He's a policeman, right? Next one, what does she do? She is a nurse. And the next one, what does he do?
He is
a fire.
Yeah.
Fireman or firefighter, right? And the next one, what does she do? She is a housewife. And next one, what does he do?
He
is a what does he do? He is a student, right? Student. He is a student or he is a pupil. Next one, what does he do?
He is a teacher.
He's a teacher. And the next one, what does she do?
He is a farmer.
Okay, good. And the next one, what is that, Sunny?
Plane.
It's an airport. You can see the plane in the airport, right? All right. And the next one, what is that? Where is she? Where is she? She's at home, right? Next one. Where are the policemen? Where are they? They are in the police station. And the next one, where are they? Where are the doctor and nurses? Huh? What is that? It's a hospital. And the next one, what is that? Oh, it's a fire station.
Yeah,
and the next one, the last one here, yeah, it's a farm. Now it's a farm. It's a farm, and you can see the farmer on the farm, right? Next one.
Pupil.
Huh? Now, where do you see pupil? Do you see them in the park? Huh? They are at school, right? In a school.
In a school.
Okay, Anthony, I think it's enough for the test today. Okay, you just say goodbye, teacher Anna.
Goodbye, teacher Anna.